There's a lot of other blended drinks that we make. They're on that same list here, but I'm not going to describe how to make them now because they're specialty drinks. Some of them we only make seasonal, like a candy cane blast type thing. When those drinks come up, if you don't know how to make it, ask a lead who's been here for a while. We don't expect you to memorize the drinks that are obscure. We want you to know the main drinks that the customers get all the time. And when you get good enough at those, if somebody orders an obscure drink, a lead would just have to be able to describe it to you, and you'd be able to make it from there. And trust me, it's no problem to make a strange drink when you know how to make the basic drinks really, really well. But I'm going to talk about a couple of blended drinks. Blended chai, ice blended chai, which we can also do over ice. So it's the same ingredients as the hot chai that we did earlier, only this time it's going to be blended with ice. So you would use the measuring cup here, and again, it's actually this measuring cup. It's half chai and half milk. And the blended chai doesn't get thicky. It actually is, technically it's a blast. It's the only drink that gets a scoop of blast powder, vanilla blast powder, that we don't call it blast. It's one of the few drinks that has that. So it's half non-fat milk, half chai, and a scoop of blended vanilla. It's not difficult, it's very tasty. If it's a large, then you can add 2 scoops of vanilla powder. The other drink is the ice blended green tea. This is the same green tea powder that we use in the hot one that I described earlier. This is the more popular way to do it. And they'll order this as a green tea blast. It doesn't have any blast powder in it, but they'll call it a blast. That's okay. It is a sweet drink, has sugar in it, just like a blast. The measurements are, they say right on the top, it's 2 scoops for a 16 or a 24 ounce, because it's very, very sweet. For a 24 ounce, obviously the scoops can be a little bit more rounded. It's just like making a kid's vanilla blast. You would say for a 16 ounce, use straight non-fat milk, pour it in there, then put in your 2 scoops of the green tea powder, put the blender on, and then blend it, and that's all you have to do with it. It comes out very, very green, and it tastes, if the customer asks what it tastes like, I think it tastes very similar to green tea ice cream. If you've ever had green tea ice cream at a Japanese restaurant, that's kind of what it tastes like. It's very good. It's a little different, but it's really tasty. That is it for blended drinks.